Hey, all right, you are here. Okay, so you are welcome to the part 2 of my video tutorial about how to cut and sew rounded edges outer face. In this video, I am going to show you how to attach the rounded edges outer face that you learned in the previous video to your shirt. But then before we go straight to the day's work, I would suggest that we take a quick recap of the previous lesson. So let me just go back a bit, then I'll quickly take you through by speeding the previous video so that we just get to work on what we have to do today. Thank you. Alright, so we put our fabric on our stiffener and cut out the neck. Then we brought out the stiffener and then measured 15 inches long. Then we put 2 inches on all the sides and use our ruler and French curve to make straight line and curves. Then we curved out the edges nicely and we use our scissors to cut it out. Alright, so that's how come we had our beautiful rounded edges outer face. You see, so I just placed the middle point on the fold. Like I'm folding, you know, one of the middle point not all. Then I will use my ruler and make a straight line through the middle line or the fold line. Alright, so here is where I'll make the opening of the chest. The opening of the chest. Okay, so what I have to do next is that almost I made the line way. I have to make a 0.125 inch mark on both sides of the middle line. 0.125. 0.125 is dividing quarter into 2. So what check quarter mum you know I'll be 0.125. So when I'm then I put my ruler, my straight line. Okay. Until me person me sa we no the 10 by let me see 5.5 inches. All right, so I mark here 5.5 inches. Then I'll stand here and mark about 0.375. 0.375 no. I half a yachem half a yachem 4. Na ya yimiensa sa wacha half mu 4 na wo yimiensa a 0.375 se unhu su ya hwemi tape measure no so obehu. Okay, so that's a 0.375. 0.375. Okay, so I'll just take my ruler, then I'll link here to here. Before ruler, I'm link here. When I'm sewing, I'll sew from here to this point, then I'll start making the curve to this point, and I'll make a curve to this point, sew back to here. Okay. Okay. So until the fabric I say how, when I made it stiffen no, a better fabric no so. Now I want this line to be in the middle of the outer face. All right. So I'll put the middle line here. I'll make sure here also is put in the middle. it's now time to iron. Okay, so it becomes like this. Saying it here. Alright. Say I'm the better. Better than the material. I'm a baby inside no. The bad side of the material. Now I don't know so. I'm the top like this. Okay, so I'll fold it into two like this. I want to get a middle line again. To become you see. I'm the pencil no. I'm market middle line. So it's almost a line way. And I set the middle line. So I'll make sure the line, the straight line in the middle here, passes on this. To this side, when you cross it about like that. See what I'm doing? See, I'll sew from here to this part, and I'll come back and sew here to this part. This part, then I'm done. From here. Alright, so I'm done with this part. Now here with this part. Alright, so this is how it is. I'll probably see how you know. Then I'll cut. I'll cut the middle part. So I'll cut to the very end. Now make sure I don't cut the line. Then I'll make a notch here. I'll make a notch here. I'll make another one here. Alright. Then I have to remove this side. Into because of say air curve no enti so one making notches one kate mu a wo dane a wo bre so you make notches through them. So you make a notch everywhere. So now you are free to turn it inside out. All right. So you have to sew on it. So I said, "Opam so." Opam, how do you cut inside? All right, so guys, this is the finished work. You can see, so beautiful and curvy. See the curve. See the curve. So this is it. All right, so thank you for watching. Watch out for more videos next time. Bye bye.